Welcome back, Patriots. Welcome to Sons of Liberty 1773. It's kind of an emergency broadcast. I'll put this one in. I think the banks are in trouble, folks. I think it's a lot worse than we're being told. I'm even hearing Deutsche Banks, which is like a mega bank, is having problems. The European banks, the Swiss banks are the fix that they were going to use doesn't sound like it's working like it should have. Markets were down, futures were down, the Dow like over 300 this morning. I haven't checked, but last I looked, a half hour ago, the Dow was down 200. So with this going on, right, spooking the markets, suddenly, Janet Yellen, inflation, it's transitory, and we'll never see another banking crisis in our lifetime. You know that, Janet Yellen? Yellen convenes emergency financial stability meeting today as banking crisis explodes. Here comes the panic. This is at Zero Hedge is where I'm reading this. Bloomberg just reported that Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, who was single-handedly responsible for stoking and restarting the bank crisis on Wednesday, which until that day was easing back with her comments that nobody in charge was even talking about a uniform deposit insurance, let alone working on one, will convene the heads of top U.S. financial regulators Friday morning for a previously unscheduled meeting of the Financial Stability Oversight Council. The meeting will be closed to the public. The Treasury Department, I'll bet they don't want us to hear the truth. The Treasury Department said in a statement the Treasury didn't say what time the meeting would begin, and it wasn't immediately clear whether the council would issue a statement following the meeting. The step comes as regulators continue efforts to instill calm in financial markets and among bank depositors following the recent failure of two mid-sized lenders in the U.S. and the near collapse of banking giant Credit Suisse Group, AG, before its government brokered takeover by rival UBS Group. FSOC's members include the heads of the Federal Reserve, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp., and several other regulatory agencies. It has little legal authority but serves as a coordinating forum. So you can read the rest of the article over at Zero Hedge. What this tells me, I'm giving you my opinion as always, right? Do your own research, do what's right for you. I'm not a financial advisor. But I feel like we're on the cusp of a catastrophic bank failure. And so what have I been saying, folks? Go to the bank and get some money out, enough to pay 6 months of bills. If you I realize not everybody even has that money. If you have less than that, maybe just get your money. Because I feel like the proverbial shite is about to hit the fan. And it's going to be bad. My New Year's prediction for 2023 was not a recession, not a great recession, not a depression, not a Great Depression, but the greatest depression in World War III. And nothing has changed, unfortunately, right? Nothing has changed my mind as far as that goes. So I got $3 or $4, maybe it was $5,000 out of the bank the other day. And you can't get out much more than that because they don't have it. The banks do not have the money. If we were in the Bonnie and Clyde days, if they came here to rob banks, they'd be scratching their head. We're going to go bankrupt. Why do they not have money at the banks? The vaults are empty. They have some money, but not like they used to. Nothing like they used to. So I think I'm going to go write a withdrawal slip and see if I can get some more cash out because as far as I'm concerned, I have a legitimate right to be fearful, and I think you should as well. But make your own decision. So I think it's when they call an emergency meeting, folks, an emergency meeting, something ain't right in Boston. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Read my community post. Brian Lupo posted an article. He actually gave me a hat tip in the article for telling him about the CCP in collusion with Gretchen Whitmer, the Democrats, and unfortunately a couple of Republicans, rhino pieces of crap, want to build a battery plant controlled by the CCP. They've actually got to set up a Chinese Communist Party hub here in Michigan for this plant. And we're paying $715 million, and they're demanding to us what they want. It's ridiculous. And you can read about that in the community post here on this page. So real quick, shout out to my Mike Lindell. Having a great sale right now. I believe the My Pillow 2.0 is buy one, get one free. The percale sheets are a deal. These having a great sale on the My Slippers. And just go to mypillow.com and use promo code SOL1773. I always have my affiliate link that's special for this channel, so use it in the descriptions of all my videos to shop at My Patriot Supply. And it's getting real, folks. The war is heating up. We can't change this crap, but we can be aware of it, and we can do the best we can prepare for it. So keep prepping and keep praying, my friends. I will see you in the next video. Sons of Liberty out.